Real Madrid roasted Manchester City with Kylian Mbappe hat-trick. God. Roasted them with Kylian Mbappe hat-trick. Hala Madrid. Hala Madrid. I never had to say this, but that's the truth. Madrid played Manchester City. Played Manchester City like amateurs. You know, Mbappe getting his 500 career goals contribution. Goals and assists. 500 career goal contribution. That is a milestone. That is a milestone. Congratulations to Mbappe. Congratulations to Real Madrid. I felt that this morning I will be shouting, Madrid, go home, go home. But right now, you see, the reverse is the case. That's football. But there's one thing. That is one important thing about this Madrid team. While Vinicius is always quarreling with the fans, issues about racism, having issues with the referee, with Jude Bellingham, the same thing, this petulant behavior between both of them. Why they are doing that? Kylian Mbappe is using his performances to, build up his profile in this Real Madrid team soon. And I assure you, very soon, this Real Madrid team is going to be the Kylian Mbappe team. Right now, Vinicius owns the team, Jude Bellingham, the same thing. But very soon, it's going to be the Kylian Mbappe team because Kylian Mbappe right now is unstoppable. Is unstoppable. I know for a fact that when he clicks in this Real Madrid team, it's going to be amazing for him. So right now, he's performing absolutely very well, so fantastic. A hat-trick. It's not just about the hat-trick, but the way he scored the hat-trick. He did it with class, he did it with, as an aura. Look at the goals. Ruben Diaz is so stupid with that first goal. So stupid. How can you not knock the ball away? Knock it away. What nonsense. This Man City team, this Man City players, most of them are stupid players. I felt so embarrassed. I didn't even finish the game. Immediately the hat-trick came, I left. I'm telling you, honestly, I didn't finish the game. Immediately the hat-trick came, I zoomed off because it was becoming embarrassing, becoming so embarrassing. I couldn't even stand to watch what was going on. On this one, Pep Guardiola is also culpable because when I saw the lineup and didn't see Haaland in the lineup, I felt, okay, maybe he has one eye on the Liverpool game coming up in the weekend. But even at that, Madrid is a huge game for you to drop Haaland. You can't drop Haaland in a match like this and you expect to go through playing Omar Manchester number 9. You're playing a Gondowan and Nico Gonzalez in the middle of the park as two holding midfielders. It cannot work. But Kovacic was on the bench. Why are you not playing Kovacic? Ruben Diaz played very, very nonsense game. You were there and Mbappe was scoring a hat-trick. You were there. How can Mbappe getting a hat-trick against Manchester City? It seems like Mbappe always deal with it. While in Monaco, it was this same Kylian Mbappe that was disturbing Manchester City. Remember the 5-2, at the 5-3 at Monaco. Scored, I think, a hat-trick or so in that match. Then, when he was still a prospect, now another hat-trick. Real Madrid, Hala Madrid anyway. Hala Madrid. Congratulations to the guys. Congratulations to Madrid team. But you can only do it to Manchester City. You see, Barcelona is going to revenge this win. You see this win Madrid got against Man City. Barcelona is going to revenge it. But it tells you that beating Madrid is not for everybody. This Madrid team, the kind of pace that they have. Look at Valverde at right back. Hi, look at Valverde at right back, and these guys couldn't do anything. Anyway, I have nothing to say. Congratulations. Mbappe said he wants to make history with Real Madrid and blah, 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 blah. And all. So making history means Mbappe winning the Champions League and also winning the La Liga. When we have Barcelona, this Barcelona team, let me see how the history is going to happen. But honestly, Mbappe is doing so well. He's doing an amazing job right now for Real Madrid. Give it up for him. Give it up for him. Congratulations to Mbappe, Kylian Mbappe. Hala Madrid. I'm saying this thing with shame and with pain in my heart. But Hala Madrid, Man City need to put their house in order and sort out their issues ASAP because the games are coming thick up fast. This weekend they're playing against Liverpool, so they need to sort out themselves right now. Honestly, Man City is a shame. It's a shame. It's a shame. I didn't expect that. Pep, you're also culpable in this, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all love and light. Well, Jude Bellingham is not going to play the round of 16, the first leg of the round of 16. Jude Bellingham is not going to play because of the yellow card he got. Again, it speaks to that petulant behavior that I'm talking about. He got a yellow card in the match, so he's not going to play in the round of 16. Mbappe, man of the match performance, match ball, everything is working well for him right now. I'm not sure Mbappe will complain. Everything is working well for him. Congratulations to him once again. Once again, I encourage you, meet me at the comment section. Follow Felix Football Exclusive, like, share, repost, and stuff like that. We are heartbroken. Manchester City, we are heartbroken. I feel your pain, but we'll come back stronger.